Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Row. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the ACF Ultimate sample. So after you install it from the Git, you'll just hit extract all, and I'll go ahead and extract it. And now that it's done downloading, I'm just going to click into the ACF Ultimate folder, right click, click show more options, and generate Visual Studio project files. And after it's done generating the project files, you'll see this projectultimate.sln, which is going to be opened in Microsoft Visual Studios. And now you're just going to let everything load. And if you don't already, you can open your Visual Studio installer and then hit modify. And then you're going to want to make sure that game development with C++ is checked. I checkmarked the desktop development. You probably don't need this, but game development with C++ is necessary because it is powered by Unreal. And since I already have it, I'll close this out. And then you'll hit the Windows tab. And on the right, you should see the Solution Explorer. If you don't see this, just click View. And then you'll see the Solution Explorer up here, or you can do Control-Alt-L. And it'll open up this. So on the right, you're going to notice that it's telling me to install something in this yellow warning. Make sure you keep doing this, especially if you're on a new computer. It's probably going to ask you to install stuff like .NET and so on. And just keep installing every component until this yellow warning goes away. And I'll go ahead and let that install. And now that the installation's completed, you'll see this warning go away. I'll right click and click clean, and you'll see it cleaning over here in the command console. And it says keep clean completed. So I'll go ahead and right click and click build. And now it'll say build completed. And I'll go ahead and click play. And now I'll just go back and hit double click Project Ultimate. I'm just going to right click, show more options, switch Unreal version, make sure it's set to 5.4. And now you'll see my Project Ultimate is launching after I double clicked it. It might generate your Visual Studio files again. If it does that, just hit reload all and you can just double click to launch it. And now my Ultimate map is loaded. And you can see it's Ultimate with the compass and the new inventory setup. And yeah, that's pretty much how you get your Ultimate sample up and running. Thanks for watching Code with Row. Like, subscribe, comment below if something didn't work or what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.